This is cooking with the
What the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. You're gonna solve that mystery.
Probably Eric. Alright, later. Rain run, baby! Why, Way? Why'd y'all do this to me, Way?
I didn't do that. You could.
Look,
why'd you
look,
ask?
look.
Why don't you ask the person that did it?
Why, Eric?
Dren, are you fucking
Eric,
joking?
why, Eric?
It's inside.
Because Lance is...
Huh?
He ran like
Rain
a
Run
22.
Part 2.
That's fast.
And we will catch you when we start.
Yeah, look, Gavin thinks
Oh yeah, Gavin.
Fucking see.
Gavin.
you're in the vlog.
You're in the vlog, Gavin.
I love it.
Why do you like portraying yourself like that?
Leo, is it looking right at you?
No. I can't tell. Like, this is this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Hear me out. Hear me out.
Okay, okay.
Oh yeah, that butt potato. Open them and show them what shit looks like. Eric.
Yeah, open it, Eric.
Is he holding it?
Probably. Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
I'm starting it. Fuck y'all.
Hey,
Okay.
why have you stretched? None of us have stretched.
We're going slow, right?
This is how injuries happen.
Nah. Where is it like that?
You just gotta kick a lot.
Oh, damn it. It is cold, Ray. It's cold as
Why are we doing this, Phil?
Leo, kick your feet in this way.
No.
It's so cold.
Why? Look,
It's so cold, Ray. Can I look straight down? Nah, I don't think so. No.
stretch, bitch.
Okay, fine. Just stretch. We're doing
Hurry
it
the
again.
fuck up.
This always happens.
Eric, I see the problem.
Yeah, fucking
Eric,
idiot.
I see the problem, Eric.
They're hokas.
You tied him wrong the first time.
No.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Oh.
It's literally this right here.
Oh, the Lord.
The gospel! Oh, Lord. Jason was almost fucking in the hospital, but he still ran.
It's 5:15, Eric. We spent 15 fucking minutes doing this.
Yeah, well.
We're gonna spend 15 more.
I knew it.
Whoa! Oh shit, man! Oh, did you feel that wind? Anthony! I'm putting that in the video now. I have to. I'm comparing that truck to Anthony.
Bum, 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 bum.
That's two today. That's
Hold on,
two.
man, J2's gonna come jump me. Hold on.
That's two today. If we can get 4 of these trucks, we should get 10,000 subscribers.
Drop down, smash that like button. We're trying to hit 100,000 likes today, baby.
Yeah!
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch or fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall.
Ain't no room for the haters, ain't got time for jealousy. I'm too focused on the music, the money, and where I'm headed. If it rain on my parade, I'ma get an umbrella. Fuck all they damn opinions. Never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the world on my vision. Still I want the distance and stay driven. Gotta go for it, do or die. I can't slow down, I feel too alive. I'ma chase my dreams, fucking suicide. If you walked in my shoes, you would lose your mind. Got the blood of a champion in my veins. I ain't following nobody, I'm in my own lane. Live a day in my life, come and feel my pain. I'm balling out like LeBron and Dwayne in overtime. On my life, time to turn it up into overdrive. Gotta live your life with an open mind. Blood, sweat, and tears got me so alive. Pull up with a bad one, then a passer. Jerk side with an ass, got a fat one. Used to never get money or hoes back then. Now I get both whenever I get a chance to. Wait to focus on the money, turn the vision to it. Embrace the struggle and you gonna get through it. Never give up, boy, you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me and what I'm doing. If anyone listening got a dream, better go for it. If you think about giving up, better hold on. I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pull up good vibes, someone roll one.
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall.
Yeah. Waking up with the same routine, hoping they're praying for sunshine. A plan that don't work out as A through Z. Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling hard, boy, it's crunch time. Praying to God he don't lose me. Shout to my family one time. Putting my thoughts on a loose sleeve. On the Bruce Lee of this rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely and cold, so go make sure that you bring a jacket. Putting my heart and my soul in this music, I can't wait too far to turn back, bitch. People all told me that I wouldn't make it, now they the ones saying congrats, kid. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, no worry about slipping, I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was handed to me. Every day I would practice, struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit, put my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up, screaming fuck them all. Every single day in my life I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my rights from wrong. Hella shit on my mind, no time for the bullshit, boy, I gotta work hard.
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall. Catch your fall. When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough.
We're done. That second 2.5 miles is really hard. Sorry if the video is shaky. It bounced on my head, so yeah, don't mind that, I'm sorry. Alright, catch you right now. That has got to be the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen.
I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world.